Mami, kagay mo na. Kagay mo naman. Swimming kasi kahapon. Sa ano? Sa swimming. Sa ano ma? Sa bahay. Saan? Ay, di ba katoliko si Sir Ruben? Hindi katoliko ba?
Santa Maria Estela Matutina. This image is under the care of Familia Zapata Quiocho of Taytay, Rizal. The title Morning Star is often associated with the Blessed Mother because the Church interprets this verse from the Song of Songs. Who is she that come forth as the morning rising, fair as the moon, and bright as the sun? As a description of the Blessed Virgin Mary, the morning star Mary precedes the coming of the star that lights the day, the star that points to the largest star. As always, Mary is leading us closer to Jesus Christ. In 1995, the Zapata Quiocho family planned to dedicate this image as Our Lady of the Holy Rosary. With the guidance from the Cofradia officer, Mr. Clifford Chua, they named her Santa Maria Stella Matutina. Discovering that the devotion under this title was rare, the family embraced the challenge to propagate and venerate her. For 24 years, joining the Marian procession became both a religious tradition and a family reunion. Over time, she became the beloved patroness of the Zapanta and Quiocho clans, uniting them in faith, love, and gratitude. Santa Maria Stella Matutina,
Ipanalangin mo kami.
Andiyan si Father Cron. Mambo na naman.
Ay, naku yun.
Passing in front of the Manila Cathedrals are members of the Renacimiento Manila Reenactors Group
Tayo pa nila.
and the Intramuros Administration's employees.
Wala pa po yun.
La festejada Nuestra Señora de la Inmaculada Concepción, Mater Purísima. This image was commissioned by the Intramuros administration in 1980 as a substitute for the image of La Inmaculada Concepcion venerated in the old San Francisco Church in Intramuros, both casualty of the Second World War. One of the priceless pieces from the Intramuros Administration Museum collection. She is venerated as the Virgen Festejada of the annual Grand Marian Procession held every first Sunday of December in the walled city under the sponsorship of the Cofradia de la Inmaculada Concepcion Incorporated, the Intramuros Administration with the support of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Both the image and its silver-plated carroza are part of the museum collection of the Intramuros administration. Accompanying the image are the personnel of the Intramuros administration and residents of the Intramuros barangays. The Intramuros administration and the Cofradia de la Inmaculada Concepcion would like to thank the Philippine Heritage Society for sponsoring this year's floral arrangement of the Carroza of La Virgen Festejada, Mr. Alvin J. Ancheta for his votive flower offering. We would also like to acknowledge the Historia Viviente Manila for escorting the image of Our Lady. Nuestra Señora de la Inmaculada Concepcion, Mater Purissima,
Ipanalangin mo kami.
Viva la Virgen!
Viva!
Viva la Inmaculada Concepcion!
Viva!
Viva la Madre Purissima!
Viva!
We invite all faithful to join the solemn procession honoring our principal patroness as we make way through the cobbled streets of the historic Intramuros. The procession will culminate with the solemn closing rites in front of the Manila Cathedral, where all are welcome to offer their prayers and devotion.
Mainit yung mata.
Last na yan. Last na ba yan?
Ay, marang sa lagyan.
Tapos na pala.
Wala si ano man. Wala si Porta pa.
Okay lang?
Porta pa. Ganun mo.
Madami kasi kasama. Kasi may kasama si
Red na lang. Wala si ano, Porta pa. Naka-display sa ano, Banwari.
Viva la Virgen! Viva! Viva la Inmaculada Concepcion!
Viva!
Viva Madre Purissima!
Viva!
Kaya pala si Cap nandoon.